Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. As you know that now you are in class 1 and I'm your new teacher Miss Faiza Fawad, and I will teach you the subject English. Welcome you all in your English class. So it's our first class. I hope you will enjoy your first class and you will learn more interesting things from this class. Let's move to our topic, and the topic is sound. What? The topic is sound. Okay. So today we will learn the sound of A to E. Okay? Okay, student, do you know the alphabets? Yes, it has 26 letters. Let us sing a song of alphabet. Come, little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In early morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Okay. So, there are 26 letters. These 26 letters have 44 sounds. Each letter produces a different sound. So let's have a fun with the story of sounds. Let's start to pronounce the letter with sound. Okay, so the first one letter we have A. What? A. What? A. Pronounce it A. Okay. So the story of the sound is, there was a little girl whose name was Sarah. Sarah climbed up on an apple tree, and what happened? One ant bit her on her ankle, and she said, "Ah, ah, something is tickling me. Something is tickling me. Ah." So, yes, this is the sound of ah. What? Ah. Okay. And the examples are apple. What? You can see in this picture. What is this? Apple. This is apple. Okay. Ant. Pronounce the letter. Pronounce the word. A. Ant. Ant. Ask. Look at this word. Ask. A. Okay. Act. Alligator. Add. Okay, so these are the examples of the letter A. Okay, now we will take the sound of letter B. B. How? Pronounce it B. Okay, the sound of letter is B. Okay. Bablu the big bank has a big balloon, and Blue Balloon, when he is playing with his ball, the ball bounces like B, B, B. So the sound of B is B, B. B says B, B, B. Okay. Now we have lots of example of letter B. Let's move. Okay, throw air from your mouth. B. Practice it. B. B. Okay, let us play with this ball. Okay, the first one is ball. Ball. The letter B. B. Bird. Okay, the letter B. Bird. Bug. Bug. Pronounce it B. Bug. Bad. Bad. B. B. Bad. Big. Okay. Letter is B. Pronounce it B. So these are the sound of letter B. Okay, the next sound is C. Okay, the C sound. Okay, it's sound like C and K. A soft K and a not a hard K. Okay, a little bit hard, but it will pronounce. We will pronounce it soft. Okay, K, K, K. Pronounce it. K, K. Okay, throw air from your mouth. K, K. Okay. So let's see the story of letter K. K. Okay. A little girl has a nice curly hairs. She likes to eat delicious cake. While eating delicious cake, she curls up her hairs and she says, K, K, curly curly hairs, curly curly hairs, K, K. Yes, this is the sound of C. K, soft K. Okay, now it's time of the story of C. Okay, K. You. Okay, now we have examples. Cow, pronounce it K. Cow. Computer. Cat, cat. Car, cake. Look at this word, cake, cake. The C we will pronounce a little bit soft and K is hard. Okay, C we will start from K. In the start it's a little bit hard, and after this at the end of the pronunciation we will pronounce it soft. Okay, K. D. Okay, now it's time of the story of sound D. Danny the drummer liked to play with his drum. He banging his drum, da, da, da. Yes, this is the sound of letter D. Let's see the sound of D. Okay, pronounce it da, da, da. How? Da. When you are playing with your drums, so it sound like da, da, da. Okay. So look at this. Now da. Look at the mouth. Da, da. Now we have example of letter D. Dog, dog. D, da, dog. Duck. What? Duck. The duck is swimming in the pond. Duck. Doll. Look at this word. Doll. Doll. Dan. Okay, practice these words. Okay, so you will learn easily. Day. The next word is day, and the sound of D is D. Day. Okay. Okay, let's see the sound of E. First, we will go to the story of sound E. Okay, but it sound like A. How? A. Okay, for example, Mama fry eggs for Ellie. When she taps eggs with the shelf, it sound like A, A, A. For example, we have examples. Look at the mouth. A. Enter, not enter. Okay, enter. Egg, not egg. Okay, it's egg, because we will pronounce E like A. Elbow, elbow. Elephant, not elephant. Okay, elephant, elephant. Elk. Okay, this is enough for today. We will do activity now. So we have missing sound activity. Okay, what is this? What's the missing sound here? The missing sound is D. What? Dog. D, dog. Ant. The next one is ant. A. Which one sound? A. Okay. Ant. The next one is bat. Mat? Bat. No, the word is bat. Okay. Cow. The sound of C. K. Cow. Egg. Egg. The letter E. But we will pronounce it A. Egg. Okay. Now, this is all. So, thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.